Hello, welcome back to my channel. Basically, I've given myself a timer today because I'm trying to be on time for once in my life, which never happens. There's a buzzing noise, it's my radiator, I broke it, so don't listen to that. I'm just gonna stand here really awkwardly because I broke my chair. For the whole of this video, I shall be stood here, so just don't mind me just standing here. Does it look really weird? It's fine. Really loud. Just forget it. Just forget about it. Forget about it. What's this video about today? Halloween is next Sunday, and I still haven't sorted out my outfit. I love costumes, and there's always so many I want to do, but like the money and the time and everything and ideas. So of course, like usual daily fashion, I have left it too freaking late to do a Halloween video. I was gonna do a Halloween video like costumes and stuff, but I got too. I can't lie to you, I'm not doing very well at uni, so I haven't had time to film a Halloween video because I've been so caught up failing uni. So we're gonna do a Halloween video now. I'm gonna give myself like 10 minutes to film it, and then hopefully I can make a 5-minute video, because all my videos are always like 20 minutes long, and it takes me years to edit them, years to upload them, years to do anything. But that's typical me, years to do anything. That's me being that queen that just never gets anything out. Get on it, do it, come on. Done, nice. Done. I don't know why I'm taking so long, because I literally have 5 minutes to do a video. Oh my god, my watch thinks I'm doing a workout. That's how fucking hyped I am right now. I hate it when Halloween comes around and I have no idea what I'm gonna be. Because I love Halloween, it's one of my favourite times of the year. Favourite, love it, pumpkin spice, pumpkin, autumn, fall, whatever, I don't know, I love it. But every single year I give myself this predicament. I'm like, what am I going to be? I don't want to just turn up as someone who's like, ooh, I'm a bunny. Yay, I'm a bunny. I don't want to do that. I don't want to just put on like a headband and ears and be like, sorted. But at the same time, I always leave it too last minute, so don't mind my dancing, I don't know what's going on. This video is gonna be a list of things that you can be for Halloween if you want to be. I don't know, maybe you don't, but if you want to dress up as something for Halloween and you're running out of time, you know, we'll do everything. So this is just a video. If you want to know what to go as for Halloween, this is it. This is the video. Got you. We're just gonna go through it. Come on, let's go. Okay, so number 1 on our list, we have a ninja. I see girls going and they look like so good. You can either buy a ninja outfit, which like looks really good, or you can also do one yourself. Or you can do a kind of like Lara Croft, whatever her name is. You can do that as well, and that's really simple, really super easy, like a little tank, little shorts, you know, that's easy. Next, angels. You can either do it like a classic angel, and then you can have like the long dress, you can have little wings on, or you can obviously do a more of a sexy angel, I don't know, or we can do a dark angel. And angels are such a good thing to play around with, because as long as you have the wings and the halo, you can do what you pretty much want. You can also do Cupid, so that can just be a red version of all those guys, and just like paint little hearts on your face. That'd be so adorable. Also, Victoria's Secret's angel. Obviously we all want to be a Victoria's Secret model, but some of us like me just ain't blessed like that, so we can pretend for the day. Next one, fairies. Fairies are obviously like such a cute vibe. What a vibe. You can either be like Tinkerbell, that's just like a green glittery sequin dress, and then you can obviously get a blonde wig, or you can be a brown hair Tinkerbell. Like, I don't want to discriminate, I'll be brown hair Tinkerbell. Or you could also do like a forest fairy. To be a fairy, you can literally wear whatever you want, as long as it's like a cute dress, heels, and then like wings. Sorted! I'm a fairy, don't question me. Next we have a cat. Simple. I mean, there's not much to say about cat. I mean, you just either wear like, do a little eyeliner nose, eyeliner on your eyes, tail if you want. Every time I've been a cat, I've never worn a tail, but I mean, you can if you want. Cats are so super easy, like that's just one of the main go-tos. You could be a bunny as well, Lola bunny, or you could just be a normal bunny. Lola bunny would be really cute to do. I really want to do Lola bunny one, yeah, that'd be really cool. If you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, a little partnership, you can do Lola bunny and Bugs Bunny, that would be cute. Or if you live in a house and you want to do a group, you can do the whole Space Jam thing, that would be, love it. Cheerleader, you can either be a zombie cheerleader, so you know, a little bit of blood, a little bit of and scary, or you can just be a normal cheerleader for school, you know, maybe just that. Next up, we have Sandy from Greece. Again, another possible couples thing. Sandy and Danny, you know, when like cool Sandy, at the end of the film, she just, that girl's slaying, man. She's slaying. If you want to do a group thing, you could obviously also do the pink lady, like from Greece, or you could just do anything from Greece and then just kind of go together, you know. Princesses, so I've seen this has actually been trending recently. Disney princesses are so super cute, let's not lie, we all love a little Disney princess. I've seen what people have been doing is different colored corsets and then little cute skirts. Prom queen, I love this one. So basically, as long as you can get a crown and a sash, you are sorted. You can wear whatever you want, and you can be a like cute prom queen, or you can be like a dead prom queen, I don't know, because then you can look cute, but it's also Halloween, because you know, you might have like little bullet holes on, I don't know. And then we have vampire, typical, you know, the same one. So you can go for the scary vampire, or you go for like the typical, you know, like cute, sexy, just kind of blood dribbling around, okay, whatever. A vampire has no limits. It could be anything. So whilst you're on that, you could obviously, if you've watched the Vampire Diaries, you could be like Elena Gilbert. So you can just be anyone you want for a vampire. It's insane. Same with that Scooby-Doo. Again, another little group costume if you wanted to, I don't know. You could have Velma, Daphne, Shaggy, I don't remember the rest of the gang. Harley Quinn. I thought I'd put her in there, but I mean, I feel like she's a little bit overplayed after last year and the year before, but I mean, gosh. can't really discriminate, so I might as well put her in. Britney Spears, there are so many Britney Spears ones that I've seen. It's actually kind of cool. Like obviously you can just do the little school one. Medusa, I love this one. It's like snake jewelry and stuff like going up your arms. So if you have like snake rings, if you have a snake bracelet, Medusa's just so cool. Same thing with Cleopatra as well. You can do a very similar thing. I just think they're really cool outfits. I was like, oh. Cowgirl. So obviously cowgirls are going quite viral again. I've seen it. Cowgirls are so simple as well. You can just wear jeans and a cowgirl hat and then like a little cow print top, whatever you want to do. Black Swan, I did this as a kid, but it's actually really cool. Woody and Buzz Lightyear and the whole of the Toy Story gang if you want to be a group, or you can obviously just do them both. I've seen girls going as Buzz Lightyear and they look so dope. You can obviously be a deer, that's really super simple as well, just a headband, little deer ears. Along with that as well, a wolf, like a werewolf, and that's pretty easy to do, you know, just whatever you want to wear, simple clothes. And then if you just want to whack on the makeup. Cruella this year is looking insane. I think it's obviously because the film Cruella's been released and it just, Then obviously we have the typical emergency services, so police, army, we have firefighters, and we have nurses. They are all really good ideas that you can do. And just like that, we are done. So I hope I gave you a little bit of inspiration as to what you possibly could be. I know I didn't go through the possibilities of everything, but I gave myself 5 minutes to film the video, and well, it's obviously going to be a 5-minute video. That's what I'm hoping for. So we're hoping for, let's hope for that. And I have actually spent 12 minutes exactly filming this video, so who is she? Setting goals and meeting them, not me. So I really hope you enjoyed the video and you found some sort of inspiration. I'm sorry I couldn't run through them properly, but Halloween is next week, so I need to sort out my outfit too, okay? So I need to go through it myself. I really hope I helped you. Let me know down below what you were planning on going as for Halloween, and if you enjoyed this type of video. And don't forget to subscribe, join the daisy chain. I'm gonna try and upload every Monday, but I don't know if it's gonna work. But we're gonna try. Subscribe to my Instagram. No, follow my Instagram, please, if you want, I don't know, maybe. And yeah. Have a lovely Halloween, my babies. I love you. Bye. Hello.